Kenyan deaf golf ace Isaac Makokha is a man on a mission. He is determined to convert his bronze medal won in 2022 in Brazil into gold at the forthcoming Tokyo 2025 Summer Deaflympics set for Japan on November 15th to 26th.
Team Kenya, we have hopes and we indeed have tournaments and we don't have any worries. Brazil, I managed to get a bronze, and this time I'm very confident I'll get a gold. There are no doubts. I'm ready and I'm ready to get the gold medal. In Brazil, there are several lessons that I learned, and I've worked on them, and I'm ready this time around. So for me, maybe on energy and ensuring that I'm flexible. So I normally have a schedule by 5, maybe 6. I have a schedule that I normally work on. So I'm really ready for Tokyo.
David Moyes believes his charges could have